Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the glitch effects to your picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture and go to the effects section next to the adjust button at the bottom of the page, and here you can find the fourth option, the glitch, next to the texture button. And here you can find different type of glitch, and just select one, for example the GB. And if you want to edit these effects, just drag the circle on the line and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.